Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to connect N8N to Telegram. So this is actually pretty simple. On your N8N, firstly be sure to of course create an account, login and open up your dashboard. After that, let us just start from scratch, create a new workflow, and in here just press on the plus. And in the search for nodes, we're going to be working with nodes, type in Telegram. Alright. So select it, and then, well, you can choose which trigger you want to use, basically what your bot will do. In my case, I will just choose on message. Alright guys, and in this pop-up window, under the credential to connect with, press on the drop down and press on create new credential. And here, as you can see, we only need this access token in order to be able to connect our bot to N8N, and we grab it from Telegram itself. Let me show you. Okay, my friends, so you just pretty much open up your Telegram, and in here in the search type in bot father. All right, and you need this, so just click on it and start the bot. This is also a bot. And in here, you just need to add a command and press a command, new bot. You can just press on here. Okay, and now you can choose the name for it. For example, test bot 123. Okay, now the username, test bot 123 bot. Oh, it's already taken. All right, let's do some number. So just some random numbers. Okay, interesting. So let me just bash my keyboard with my fingers. Hopefully something will register. Okay. So now guys, as you can see, your bot is created, and now pretty much you just grab this token. As you can see, use this to access the HTTP API. Just click on it, it will be automatically copied. Let us go back to the website. Alright, and in here, just press this access token that we have just copied from Telegram and press on save. As you can see, credential successfully created and connection tested successfully. So you can just close that. Now you just go back to where we were in the beginning, and now we have a new Telegram trigger. So this is pretty much your new Telegram automation that you can now customize in any way you want and use it. So as you can see, pretty simple guys. If this helped, press like on the video, subscribe and leave a comment, and of course click on the notification bell to not miss the new uploads. See you soon.